So I just wanted to talk about another little job we've got on the go. This is a barrel stove kit comprising of the chimney connector, the actual the door, camp stove door, all cast iron, pretty heavy duty, and that's ultimately what you end up with. This kit came from America. I looked far and wide to get one of these kits from Australia, but couldn't find one anywhere. So it was an eBay special, posted out from the States to here. So as it says there, it fits on a standard 55-gallon drum, and then the only extra thing that I needed to get was got a meter of stovepipe there, which should fit nicely. So I'll take us through the process of getting this thing put together. So the first activity is draw a centre line between the two end plugs on the barrel, and equally space this door about the centre line, and then basically go and mark the inside, mark all the holes, and don't forget to adjust and mark this piece, which is actually it's an air intake. Lets the air flow into the fire and control the heat of the fire. And when you've finished marking out, you should have something like this. So showing the door aperture, all the bolt locations, and then the air intake section. Next task is to cut that shape out. I'm going to use a stepper drill to get this started. So the next activity is to get this sitting on its legs. So you can see there, sort of sat it on its feet at the front and back. Worked it to try and align it as best I can. Yeah, with the door and the two bungs there vertically. So hopefully that's looking pretty good, and I can now connect the feet. So as you can see, the actual feet are not a perfect fit on the barrel, but I'm sure all that will pull together. So the next activity basically is going mark with a Sharpie where the holes need to go. In all 4 locations, and then drill those holes out. So the other activity I thought I'd better do before I take all this apart again is, since it's all stood up now pretty level, I'll go in and mark where the chimney needs to be. The first activity here though is that actual pipe itself. The chimney pipe needs to be able to slide down into this fitting, so I need to, you can see that in there, I need to actually remove some metal from that pipe so it can actually slide into the gap. Easily do that by just marking on one side, centre, marking on the other side, and then when I cut that out, it'll actually be able to slide over that pin. So I've fed the chimney into that bracket, and then just place it on as best I can. Just sort of trying to align it, and it's looking pretty good. So the next job obviously is to go in, mark the holes, cut the centre out, and reconnect the feet, and I'll bring you back at that. So this is the finished product. It wasn't too bad a job really to put it all together. Biggest issue really was getting the nuts on. Come on, focus. Getting the nuts on those bolts at the bottom there for the feet, and also a couple of the nuts on the chimney adapter. But yeah, apart from that, it was a pretty easy task. The chimney on. So there is a slight gap around the chimney. I'm hoping that's just not going to be an issue when it gets going, but if it is, I'll just get some packer in there and fill it off.